4 is starting off with eyeliners. These are like liquid liners. Also found a tiny little pot of glitter there that's going to go in my glitter one. So I've got an elf. This is a really pretty, it's kind of like, I call it like unicorn green. Really pretty. I've got an Ico fat liner. A Ciate. This is one of the ones that's like a smoky one. And then yeah, the other end's got a little brush so you can smudge it. I really like that. Another Ico one, but this is a skinny. I've got some Vivid Brights by NYX. I've got a silver one, which, ugh, let's give that a shake and see if this has had it. Yeah, see, that's gross, that's had it. That is going in the bin. Like, you can see that that is just all horrible. I've got another NYX here. Let's hope this one's not done it as well. No, that one's perfect. It's the Vivid Brights, that's the red one. I really like that. An elf liner. That's quite old. I might get rid of that, we'll see. This is the QIC Quick Kill Black Double Eyeliner. Oh, this has got a stamp, so this is a heart that side, and then a liner that side. I'm probably going to get rid of that because I have got the Rimmel one now, which does a better heart than that without the little mark around it. And the eyeliner is not particularly good, so we're going to get rid of that one. That is a lipstick. Got a little tiny black gel eyeliner by Collection. I really like this for Halloween makeup, so I'm going to keep that. I've got a little tiny Makeup Gallery Pro liquid. Again, that is good for Halloween makeup. I would not use that otherwise. Lakme Kajal. That's just a black. How many black eyeliners does one person need? Maybelline Master Ink. Oh god. This is a white one. That's had it. That is knackered and old. That's gross. Got a glitter liner here. Really pretty. That's by Technic. Got another Ico fat liner. So I've got 2 of them, have I? Yeah, 2 of the same liner. I wish I'd have known I've got 2 of them because I could have given one away, but I've opened now. That is a newer one, but I'm gonna give one to one of my friends. So Susan, this is a black liquid liner, but I do not like the brush on that, so that's going to be given away. That's just a black kohl pencil. They're always handy to have. Essence eyeliner. This is a white. It's a really nice white. This is Makeup Gallery. It's grey. Don't like it. A little tiny Barry M pencil. Going to get rid of that because it's old. This Primark was like the first liner I had. Ugh, that is gross now. That is properly dried up and manky. I've got another Ico skinny liner. Wow, I've got a lot of Ico liners. Oh, I've got Kat Von D liner here, which I don't use anymore. So that's going in the bin. NYX 2-timer liner. From what I remember, this is rubbish. Yeah, that's all dried up. Got a blue liner here. Modster Ardency In. I don't know what brand, I think that's the brand. That looks like a dupe for the, or I don't know if this is cheaper or not, but the NYX little denim dress. Got another glitter liner. It's got hair in it, that's nice. Another Technic one. Is it Technic? No, Glam Crystals Collection, that is. Really pretty. God, I love glitter. I love glitter. Jelly Pong Pong. This is just a black eye crayon. It's quite good for when you want to do like a full-on smoky eye. I've got a Tarte Sex Kitten pen. That's a nice one. Another Tarte Sex Kitten kohl pencil. A Pixie by Petra, and that, I think that's a plummy colour. Yeah, that's sort of a plum liner. This is really old. This is going in the bin. That's a Collection. I think it's Collection anyway. I don't even know. All the writing's rubbed off. That is so old. that is brand new, Makeup Forever eye pencil. I'll put that in my giveaway. A NARS eye pencil, just a kohl pencil there. A Pixie liner, that's a nice one. I've got another one of those, but that's a black star, we'll keep that. This is the Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co liner, which is quite good because it's got the different tip on it, so you can do it either thin or thick. This is a bit of a crappy glitter liner that's going in the bin because it's old. This is like a holographic kind of doodad by Elf. Like you can see, it's kind of iridescent, not holographic, iridescent is what I meant, and it's got a sharpener built in. And that is that. I've got a lot of eyeliner, a lot of black eyeliner. Let's move on. The next one is a little bit of a random drawer. I've got a load of glitter, like little gems, stick-on gems. I really like those. I've got some really cheap lashes that I was going to try. Just some Wilko ones. I'm not going to use these now. And then I've got some, I think these are Isla lashes. And then I've got the Fleur ones, the individual ones. And then I've got my most wanted ones as well. I will quickly just show you. I actually won a giveaway recently on Instagram. And I won all of these eyelashes by Doll Beauty. They're all different, 16 pairs, they're all foam ink. So that is my eyelashes. This is another bit of a strange one. It's a bit of a random mix. I've got some more eyelashes, my Calavera ones. There's a few in here I'm going to have to go through and get rid of. My Tarte lashes. This is all various lash glues. They're going to go in the other drawer. And I've got my Makeup Revolution brow palette, which is going to go back in with the eyebrow stuff. And then some more glitter glue, some grips for the girls. My Glam Glow little brush, another pencil sharpener, and then a variety of makeup puffs and beauty blenders, one of which definitely needs to go thrown away because it has been eaten. The silicone one is going to go as well because I don't like them, but the rest of these I will keep. Let's move on to highlighters. We're moving on to highlighters. I've got my Makeup Revolution strobe palette. I've just done a video on this one. I will link that above. Keeping that. Got my Elf highlighter palette. I think I'm going to get rid of this just because they're pretty, but they're not. I don't reach for them, so that's going to go. This is my all-time favourite highlighter. It's my I Heart Makeup Goddess of Love highlighter. It's just beautiful, so pretty. I love it. My Sleek palette. It's an oldie but a goodie. You've got 1 cream and then 3 powder. My Kaleido Cosmetics. I got this recently and I absolutely love it. It's a liquid one. My Elf Shimmer Booster. I like that. Another Elf highlighter. I didn't realise, but Elf highlighters, you need to scrape off the top to be able to get them to be highlighty. But once you do, they're really pretty. Mellow Cosmetics. It's kind of like a sort of pinky one. My Tom Ford highlighter. If I can undo it, I can never undo this. And that's a gold highlight. I've got another I Heart Makeup Blush and Hearts. This is a sort of a pink trio. Really pretty. Makeup Revolution Strobe Balm. Don't use that. Boohoo Drops. Really like this as a body highlighter. More pencil sharpeners. This is ridiculous. I think I found like 20 pencil sharpeners. My lash things, I was looking for them. This is a Technic highlighter, but it's just got a different name on it for some reason. But it's really pretty and affordable. I think it's about £3 off Amazon. Trifle Cosmetics. This is kind of a pinky liquid highlighter, which is nice as a body highlighter. Jelly Pong Pong Star Drops. These are like crazy. I wouldn't use them as a highlighter because they're the wrong colour for me, but I like them as like a liquid eyeshadow. Really pretty gold. I'm actually going to put that in with my eyeshadows. Another Makeup Revolution Strobe Balm. Don't use that. So Susan highlight. Love this. What's Up as a Benefit one. Really, really pretty. My Clinique Chubby Stick. I use this every day. A little tiny pot of something that I don't know what it is, but it is pretty. No idea what that is though, so I'll keep that and see if I can work out what it is. Too Faced Candle Lit Glow highlighter, really pretty. My Jeffree Star highlighter that is in a complete wrong colour for me, but Ben got it for me because it's called So Fucking Gold, because it is so fucking gold. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. That's a Skin Frost, so I will be keeping that. My Pixie Glow Booster. This needs to go on my primers really. I'll move that. Laura Geller Illuminating Stick. Use my other hand now because I'm running out of space. Really pretty champagne-y kind of highlight. My Makeup Revolution HD Liquid Drops. These are redonkulous. Really blinding. You can mix that with your foundation. Really like those. Manica Dar. This is another liquid one. It's a sort of a more pinky one. I don't tend to use this, so I think I'm gonna probably give that away to one of my friends. I put that in the bin for my friends to rummage through. Me Beat the Blues. It's a really pretty oyster gold liquid highlighter. Makeup Revolution Strobe Cream. What are you? Oh, this is a lip tint. This is a blusher. This shouldn't be in here. Or a lip gloss. And then my Primark Chubby Stick. So that is my highlighters. Now I feel beautiful. Okay, so now we've got bullet lipsticks. I'm not going to go through all of these. I'll just go through my favourites. These are, apart from this and these are all NYX. Like I've got a little mini. They're all minis from the calendar. I've got some reds. I've got my Stone Fox mini. Some pinks, some nudes. Really pretty. I'm not going to go through them. I just got all those from my calendar, so we're not going to go through them. I've got my 3 Lipstick Queen colour changing ones, and I've got my Mellow bullet as well. And then I've got some cheapy ones here. I've got some Makeup Revolution, really pretty green and purple ones. We've got a Shayamura one. We've got some more. What are you? I think this is Makeup Revolution as well. I've got an ELF lip scrub, a Body Shop, Primark, another Body Shop, Rimmel, LA Girl, and a Benefit. And then here I've got another Benefit, my All-Eyes Beauty. That's a really lovely nude. Absolutely love this lipstick. It's one of my favourites. I sniffed it because I've heard so many people say theirs smells funny and mine doesn't at all. It literally smells of nothing. Trifle Cosmetics, Smashbox. Oh, that's a gloss. That needs to go somewhere else. That needs to go in my glosses. Now, where have I put the glosses? Does anybody remember? I don't remember. But this is a Smashbox gloss. Look. Ooh. Ready. I've got another Smashbox lippy there. Milani. Primark. Lime Prime. My Bonnie XO Cosmetics nudes collection there. Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. Tarte, Primark, MAC, that's Lady Danger, Karl Lagerfeld Model Co. Red, and then my little Tom Fords at the bottom. I've got this one is called Rory, which is like a gold top coat, and then I've got Ben. got Indian Rose and True Coral. So those are my little bullets. And yeah, I think that's it for makeup. So I'm gonna just quickly speed through doing the brushes and then we'll have a chat. Okay, I have condensed the brushes down. I'm not going to get rid of any of these because they're always handy to have when I'm doing like face paints or anything, or special effects makeup, because then I don't have to get my nice brushes dirty. There's nothing wrong with these, I just don't reach for them. So they're going to go in the drawer ready for Halloween. So we've condensed it from 5 jars down to 4. Yeah, let me put these away and we'll come back. Feeling good. This is what we're getting rid of. This is all stuff that I'm just gonna like either bin or let my friends go through and see if there's anything they want, because it has all been used. So I'm not gonna give that away. Going to be a little giveaway. It's not really a little giveaway, to be honest. There's some masks. I'll go through it another time. There will be a proper video on a giveaway, but that is going into a giveaway. So yeah, that was some serious sorting out. Everything seems much more, everything is much neater now. Everything is nice and tidy. My drawers over there are nice and tidy. And it feels good to get rid of the crap that I don't need. How often do you go through your makeup and stuff and sort things out? Because honestly, there was some stuff in there I couldn't actually believe I still had, to be fair. But yeah, that was my makeup and decluttering for 2018. I hope you liked it. I like doing it. We're all cleansed now, like cleansed. I'm gonna go. It's hot. I've got stuff to do. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.